Equifax does not calculate your credit score in a vacuum. Instead, your score is generated when a scoring model, most commonly a FICO score or Vantage score, analyzes the data contained inside your Equifax credit report. The primary scoring models look at 5 major categories of information from your credit file. First is your payment history, which accounts for about 35% of your score. This tracks whether you pay your credit card bills, loans, and other obligations on time, or if you have a history of late payments, defaults, or collections. Second is the amount you owe, often called credit utilization, which makes up roughly 30% of the score. This measures how much available revolving credit you are currently using. Keeping your balances low relative to your total credit limits is vital here. Third is the length of your credit history, accounting for about 15%. Scoring models examine the age of your oldest account, your newest account, and the overall average age of all your accounts combined. Fourth is your credit mix, which comprises about 10%. Lenders like to see that you can responsibly manage different types of credit, such as revolving credit cards and installment loans like auto loans or mortgages. Finally, new credit inquiries make up the remaining 10%. Applying for multiple new lines of credit in a short window can result in hard inquiries, which may temporarily lower your score. Because Equifax maintains your underlying credit file, any changes lenders report regarding these factors will directly shift the score calculated from that data. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.